When it comes to eating healthy, it's not just about salads and bland food. You can still enjoy mouth-watering dishes while sticking to your diet. And one of my all-time favorite go-to meals that keeps me on track is grilled chicken. It is like the unsung hero of healthy eating. It's a lean, protein-packed powerhouse that doesn't compromise on flavor. It's the perfect canvas to experiment with different seasonings and marinades, allowing you to infuse a burst of taste into every bite. As you flip those chicken pieces, the grill marks start to form, creating a beautiful pattern of sear that not only looks appetizing, but also adds a unique smoky flavor. You can't replicate this in a regular oven or stovetop pan. There's just something magical about grilling. The best part? Grilled chicken is incredibly versatile. You can pair it with a wide array of side dishes, from crisp salads to roasted vegetables or even a hearty quinoa. The possibilities are endless, and you never have to feel deprived. And let's not forget that when you grill chicken, you're keeping it healthy. You're avoiding excess oil and grease, making it a perfect choice for those who are watching their calorie intake and trying to shed some pounds. It's a delicious and nutritious path to a better you. So remember, dieting doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. Embrace the joy of grilling chicken for your diet, and you'll not only see the results you desire, but also savor every moment of the journey to a healthier, happier you. Happy grilling!